What was that? Oh my god! It's just like that movie Texas Chicken Chainsaw Massacre! The horror! Now, ladies, quiet down and I'll investigate the scene of the crime. Since there's dead chickens everywhere, one can easily deduce that a murder might have taken place. No, it couldn't have been a murder. I would have noticed that. My analysis? There was a fight over corn. Shame on you, chickens. You're always out for blood. Blood, I tells ya. Blood! Huh? Who's there?
I heard a commotion. How many did he get?
About 5 or so. And what do you mean he? Don't you mean he's? Several of the rioters were involved in this. Plus they are all girl chickens. Blasted things. I tell ya, they're always out for blood. Like just last week.
That's the work of a no-good, filthy, stinking weasel. They come in when it's dark. They move so quietly you don't see them. They creep in ever so quietly, so swiftly. And do you know what happens then?
What?
They get you! Anyway, he'll be back before long. And when he does, pow! Straight to the moon.
Well, how do you know he'll be back?
Once he's got a taste of blood, there's only one way to stop him. He's like the freaking Blob.
This is all starting to sound like an episode of Gunsmoke, crossed over with the motion picture The Blob.
Turn out the lights. I'm trying to sleep. Pow! I got him!